Hi, I'm Eitan, and today I'm going to share with you a few quick steps to get you started with your NEX, like adding a new product, how creating your sales, how to print labels and select the printer that will be used, how to create your taxes and set one as default to apply for all your products, and also how to make customer returns where you can also exchange it for a new product. So let's get to them. To start off, we're going to add a new product to your NEX. So go on the products menu on your left side and hit the add button above. Once inside, you're going to add the description for your product. You can also add a code for your product, or if you don't have one, you can allow NEX to generate one automatically. Let's add a category. You can also add a brand. Enter the sales price, the cost per unit, how many you have in stock, and you can also add an image for your product. Once you're done, press save to complete the process. There you go. Next off, we're going to create a new sale. So click on Sales on your left side menu and press the F3 or New Sales button. Go ahead and add the products that are being sold. You can also change the quantity of the items. It's also possible to apply a discount individually by your products, or you can also apply a discount on the full total of your sale. It's also possible to add a customer to your transaction and important observations, assign a shipping company and add delivery fees, and even select a different seller. Once you've finished, press Save to proceed. Now this screen is where you're going to select the payment methods that will be used for your transaction. It's also possible to leave a non-payment, which will allow you to assign this as debt on a customer account. But we're going to skip this part since we're going to learn more about it further on. Once you're ready, press Save, and there you are. The sale was completed. Now we're going to learn how to print your labels. So let's go on the Products menu on your left side, and then you're going to hit the Label button above. It's possible to create a label individually by products, or you can create label for all your products. So select the product that you need to print your label and press the Create Label button. Here you can select how many labels you want to be printed for this item, and you can also check mark this option to print a promotional price if you need. Once you're ready, press Print Now or hit the F5 button. You're going to select the printer that will be used for printing your labels, and then you're going to select from the labels that we have available. We have A4 templates and we have coil for thermal printers. Select from the ones that we have available that fit your necessity, and then once you've confirmed, press Next to proceed. Double check the preview listed on screen, and once you've confirmed, press Finish to proceed and print to finish the process. There you go, the labels are now printed. Next, we're going to learn how to create your taxes and set one as default to apply for all your products. So while inside the Products menu, go all the way to your Taxes tab and press on the Add button. Inside, you're going to give the tax name and percentage and press Save or hit the F2 button to save your options. If you have more than one, you can create another one, which is the same process. Now that they're ready, you can manually apply them on each product, or if you want to set one as default to have it applied for all your products, go on the Products menu and then double click on any product or press the Edit button. Inside, you're going to go all the way to the Tax tab and click on the three dots. Notice it has both of your taxes that you just registered. Select the one that you want to have set as default, then press the button on the lower part of your screen and yes to confirm. And there you go. Now press OK, and this tax will be applied for all your products. Now we're going to go ahead and register your customer return and exchange it for a new product. Because the customer bought the wrong size, so he's going to take another one instead. So we're going to go ahead and click on the Sales button, and then we're going to select Exchange/Return. Here you can select to search by the sales number, by the customer on the transaction, by the date that was done, or even by a product. Since we already know which transaction it is, we're going to use the transaction number. And press Next one more. Here's where you're going to select if the return is a partial or for all items. In this case, since he's just exchanging the size, it's going to be a partial one, and we're going to select the item that will be used. Once you're ready, press Next to proceed. This screen is where you're going to select the return method if you're going to have the amount added to customer credit or if you're going to return the paid amount to him. But in this case, we're going to use the option 1 for the transaction, and now press Next. You can add any comments that are important or relevant for your transaction, and then proceed. There you go. The customer return was done, and now we're going to go ahead and register the new sale for the product that will be exchanged. You're going to select the customer. Now you're going to select the product. Then press Save to proceed. Notice that it's already being deducted from the customer credit. Then just press Save to complete. There you go. The product was successfully exchanged.